Debt appears after 3 years. You're known as the neighborhood softie, everyone's favorite human ATM. 3 years ago, your old classmate Tom the Con borrowed $100,000 from you, spinning some sob story about a family emergency. With the sincerity of a used car salesman, he promised, "I'll pay you back in 3 months. Cross my heart and hope to die." Well, surprise, surprise, 3 months morphed into 3 years, and Tom's repayment plan remains perpetually stuck in checks in the mail phase. Finally reaching your breaking point, you showed up at his doorstep. "Tom, where's my 100 grand? His response was as classy as his payment history. "Haven't you heard? Debts expire after 3 years. It's like legal debt magic." Watching his smug face, you'd have wondered if throwing your phone at him would be worth the property damage charges. According to the civil code, while there's a 3-year statute of limitations on debt collection through courts, this clock resets every time you make a documented attempt to collect. Those persistent "Where's my money, Tom?" texts on WeChat that you've been sending, they're not just expressions of your growing frustration. They're legal gold, my friends. Scrolling through 3 years of increasingly desperate messages, you find messages like, "Tom, when's that payment coming?" "Hey Tom, remember that 100K you borrowed? My bank account sure does." "Tom, my retirement fund would like to have a word with you." Therefore, these conversations are enough to refresh the statute of limitations, and the court certainly accepts WeChat conversations as evidence. More importantly, you can also freeze Tom's bank accounts and Alipay and WeChat accounts before even the case goes to trial. Need a lawyer? Call Edgar.